Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my dear lovely viewers. For those of you who have been actively following me on my WhatsApp channel, I'm sure you must have been getting a lot of updates. So this particular video will show you, for those who have been coming to my DM to ask, oh, how do I search for username, phantom username? A lot of us know that phantom actually they hinted that they will be making an airdrop and something like that. So they started by making phantom social. That's you can use phantom as a way of connecting with friends and relatives by searching for creating usernames and adding friends, following each other, and so on. So for this is a very, I believe it's a very important update for us to take notes and take as important as possible, because I believe this might be one of the criteria if phantom will be given a drop. The first video I made earlier today, which was on how to position for solana airdrops, is as important as this. So make sure you do both, you watch both videos, and make sure you do the two tasks by doing the task in the first video and also doing this particular one. For those who are yet to watch the earlier video, I will drop the video in the video description section. So now the first thing you need to do, you need to go to phantom wallet. So once we go to phantom wallet, now I'll show you how to search for friends. You can see already I have all the people that are following me already. I'll make sure I follow them back. If you want to follow me as well, you can follow me on IB93 at IB93, that's AYBEE93. So for example, now let's say for instance this is my wallet, and if you have a wallet like this and you don't know how to go about following someone, and you don't know about how to go about checking the followers you have, the first thing you need to do, for example, I want to search for IB93. Just click on that search button, which is the same search button at the top right corner. Just click on IB93. So this is my name. It shows I have 24 followers, and once you click on it, it's because it's my profile. That's why it's showing edit profile. Let's say for example, though someone must have picked the IB earlier, so you can see he has 3 followers. I can just decide to click on follow. So once I click follow, for example, I followed him, he will see it from his end, and he will be able to follow back or reject or remove whichever option he chose. So for example, for mine now, if you want to check the number of people that have followed you already and you want to follow back, so now just click on your profile where you see account 1, just click there, and then you click on view profile, just directly opposite your username. Just click on view profile, then I'll click on 24 followers, then I'll click on that 24 followers. As you can see, it shows all the followers. Then I'll follow them back one after the other. Those that have followed already will be showing on follow, so those that I'm yet to follow will show follow. So you can see I'll click on follow, then I'll go down, click on follow, then I'll click on follow as on each and every one of them. So that's how to go about following users who already follow you, and also how to follow those who you choose to just follow. So I'll make sure I follow every single handle that follows me. So if you're interested in following for follow back, just follow this username, which is IB93, as I've earlier said. I'll drop the name also in the video description section so that you can check and follow. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. I hope we all win on this phantom airdrop. I believe it's going to be a big one, and I hope we all don't joke with this video, and so that we don't miss out. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this particular video. Thank you very much. Bye.